Yo, YouTube, what is going on? Today's video is much requested. I had people hounding me on TikTok, and I don't even use TikTok. But you guys wanted to know how to get Uber promo codes in 2024 for free rides and account credit. Luckily, guys, I know exactly where you can get said Uber promo codes. Pretty easy. It takes about 5 minutes. You don't need some sort of technology degree to do this. It's actually so easy. And these are Uber discount codes that you can enter directly within the Uber app. And it's going to credit you a balance to spend however you want, be it 1 trip, 100 trips. Well, you probably wouldn't get 100 trips out of $100. Anyway, I'm talking rubbish, but let me record my screen and show you where you can get your $100 Uber promo code. So you've got to open up, not Coronation Street, guys. You've got to open up the internet on your mobile phone. I'm using an iPhone. Doesn't matter if you're an Android user. I couldn't do that myself, but hey, no judgment. This is a judgment-free zone. Go to this website, www.wavycoupons.com. So search that website exactly like this, guys. If you can't type, you're going to be in trouble, but just pause the video and copy that web address. And when you reach this website, you need to look for the Uber page, and there is a search bar at the top of the page where you can literally type in Uber, and you're looking for the Uber free credit and ride coupons. Click on that, scroll down. You've got a super difficult decision to make here. You've got a $100 Uber account credit promo code, and you've got get your next 3 rides for free promo codes. So do a bit of calculating there, guys. Work out which one's going to save you the most money. Click on show coupon. You need to unlock your coupon, guys, because the reason you need to do this is people are homeless. They are jobless and they sit at home. Well, I suppose they wouldn't have a home if they're homeless, but nevertheless, they steal these codes. They basically create robots to take all of the codes. So this prevents that. This stops people from taking all of the codes. You need to unlock your code. So click on that. I'm not going to do it. I've got enough Uber account credit. But when that reaches 100%, you're going to see a new screen. It's going to tell you how to unlock your code. It's not difficult, guys. You don't need to be a rocket scientist. You just need to complete a couple of these easy and simple tasks to verify yourself that you are not a robot. And that's going to get you your Uber promo code. Hope you enjoyed the video. Go to Wavy Coupons. Apologies for the rambling in this video. That's just the way I proceed. Anyway, I'm talking rubbish again. Peace.